Okay, I'm recording. So.
Welcome to, what's the channel's name? Magnum Cyclone X.
Yeah.
Welcome to Magnum Cyclone X. Oh god, I'm terrible at this. Whatever. This is not gonna be in the video anyway. Or is it? It is? Are you gonna edit or is it gonna be just straight up?
I'll probably just edit it. I can keep it in.
It's up to you.
We're just doing a casual mini afternoon, mini practice drive on a lazy Saturday afternoon with initial beat on the background.
So in case you haven't noticed, I'm driving the red car and he's driving the other red car. Just to make it easier to differentiate.
Yeah.
Alright, you wanna try? Look how ugly the stems on this thing though are.
You should cut them off.
I will cut them off.
Like closer to the body.
Yeah, I agree. I'm probably gonna do that.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. You wanna try this?
Alright, let's do a 3-lap race.
Three? Alright.
Alright, 1, 2, 3, go.
Oh god.
No, this is in the lead.
Wait, don't slow down. Oh my god.
You don't want this to go down.
No, full blast.
Alright, I've done one lap, second lap down, my last lap. Oh, he's done it. He wins.
Alright, hold on. Let's do this. Let's do it timer based like they do there.
What do you mean?
Instead of, or you want to just do laps instead?
Yeah, we can do laps.
Alright, let's do 10 laps. Because 3 laps, once you hit the wall,
yeah,
your 3 laps are basically done.
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay. So 10 laps?
Yeah.
You have to count
for yourself.
Yeah, for yourself, okay? Alright.
Ready?
Ready, go.
Oh god.
1.
2.
Oh, sorry. Here, go ahead.
No. It's every man for himself.
Okay.
Alright, Black Saber style.
3. Alright. 3. We're both on 3. 4. 5.
Good God. Are you actually?
I think I was happening. Shit.
Okay. Wait, I got 10.
Oh, 7. 7. No. Oh, 8. No. Yeah. Oh my gosh. 8.
You're panicking.
9.
Final lap.
You win.
And thus, we can conclude that MRC Mini Zs are better than Kyoto Mini Zs. Not really. This thing is slow as hell.
The red car wins.
Oh my god, this was I can't tell you how hard I had to constantly, like, if I hit the wall once, I'm done. It's so underpowered.
For me, it was like mistakes compounded on mistakes.
I think because we were approaching the end of the 10 laps, I think also there's that panic, like, you want to try more laps?
We do 15.
Alright, 15?
Yeah.
Alright, you go in the back trying time. Or you want me to go in front?
No, you go.
Alright, on go, okay? Ready, set, go. One.
Ooh. When did you take the lead?
0, 2. 3. I totally can feel the panic of being in the back. 4. It definitely makes the person drive worse.
5. You have to take that. 6. Oh no! I've given the lead away. Can I take it back?
7.
Oh, I almost knocked it out. But it hurt me more. Oh,
8.
Don't make me 8.
I'm not, I crashed.
9 for you.
9.
Ah.
10.
Oh, come on, don't get stuck.
It's because you're trying 11. I think it's because you're trying to speed up.
Yeah.
And then you lose the consistency.
Yeah, 11. You're on 12. I'm on 12. Oh, come on.
Oh, God.
Who built this track? 13.
I don't know, it's inspired.
Bad designer.
14.
14, final lap.
No! Oh!
No, this is going to be 15 laps. There we go.
Damn it. I thought that was.
Oh.
you won the 3 laps, and then I won the 10, and you won the 15.
Yeah. You want to take it to 20 laps?
Alright.
You want to do the same direction?
You want to go opposite?
Opposite?
Ooh, that would be interesting.
Yeah. So I'll go back there. Alright, we're going to do 20 laps.
Okay.
Alright, on go. 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, not into the crowd.
1,
1,
2,
2,
3, 4. Are you catching up?
Or
You are catching up.
my part is faster.
5.
5. Oh, you made a mistake. Ah, I made a mistake. Still behind you.
7.
7,
8.
8.
It's about consistency, I think.
Yeah.
Definitely the consistency. 10.
9.
No, 10.
I'm 9.
No, you're on 10 too.
Oh, okay. So what are we, 11?
We're both on 11.
Okay. Go ahead. Oh, God.
12?
12. Oh, and this is one.
Oh, 13.
13 laps. 13.
14.
14. 15. 5 to go.
Wait, what?
I'm 15.
How?
Okay.
Okay, so
You're 16.
No, I think we're both 15 right now.
We're both 15. Okay, I'm catching up.
Fudge. Now I guess we're watching in the 2 weeks.
You're watching. Oh,
16 on both of us. 17, here we go.
17.
With what a lead.
5, and over.
18.
18.
Oh, well, he had the last minute penalty.
No.
Oh my God, both of us. Wait, oh my God, no. 19.
No, you're kidding me.
20.
That's
Bring it home. 20. Victory lap. Right here. Ladies
the
and
final
gentlemen.
2 laps of this pure chaos.
I know, it's like, because I saw you keep approaching, so I decided, okay, I'll punch a little more around the straight. And then it just kept messing me up.
And you can hear my car just like, going as fast as it possibly can.
What other cars?
Alright. That was a good race.